Hello viewers, I'm live for those who are following my channel. What we are saying is we are dealing with series and sequences. So now we are from looking at paper 2 question on GP. Now we are going to move on the arithmetic progression, which is called AP. Now it's not always that the AP, they will give you numbers like this. They will give you numbers like this. They will give you numbers like this. Then they will say that this is if they give you such a question, they are very kind of you, very kind of themselves actually, because they are just doing you a favor. Here they'll ask you, for example, find the common difference. The common difference, very easy. You just say, okay, common difference, which is d is equal to second term minus first term, like this. And thereafter, whereby you would say, okay, second term is 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. Please, these questions, they might not appear, but sometimes they will give you a condition. So I want you to listen very carefully. When you are given a condition, given that the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n minus 1, find the first term and the common difference. Remember, there is this one in the textbooks and in our concepts, whereby we know for sure that this is what it is. Now, this is how we find the nth term of an AP. Now here they have given us a condition. They say the nth term is equal to, don't rush, is equal to 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1, that is my nth term. So don't contradict yourself. Don't start looking at this. Here they are saying, fine, if you use this method and looking at what you are given there, it is totally different, but they have told you that the nth term is equal to this. So they are saying find the first term. How do you find the first term? Please do not panic. All you need to do is you say, okay, you follow the condition. Don't use this formula. Use this condition which is there, which you are saying T1, where there is n, you put 1 because your first term. So my first term will be 2 minus 1, and you agree with me that it is 1. So my first term is 1. So that is my first term. So now I will be forced to find the second term. Why? Because they're saying common difference. I know that common difference is equal to second term minus first term. So I will be forced to look for the second term. So how do I get the second term? I'll say, okay, 2, again I'll put where there is n, I put a 2 minus 1. You agree with me that I'll have a 4 minus 1. So the answer will be a 3. So my second term will be what? A 3. So now how do we get the common difference? I'll say, okay, now I'm looking at the common difference. I'm looking at this question, which they have asked me in the first question, where they say I should find the first term. My first term in this case, where for therefore is equal to A is equal to 1, or you can just say T1 is equal to 1, it's fine. Now common difference, you say D, second term in this case, what is my second term? Is 3. What was my first term? It is 1. So my common difference, it is what? My common difference is 2. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see how they bring questions. In an exam, they can give you a question like this and you will be stuck. So I'm now preparing you for the exam. I'm telling you that when you're given a condition, please respect the condition. Respect the condition you are given. In this case, this is the condition I'm given, and please, we do it like that. Then from there now they are saying find the first 3 terms. Already I've got 2. So just look for the third one, so that I look for the other one. If I want, I can use the same method to say, okay, what is my third? I'll say, okay, what is my third? Then I'll say, okay, what is my third? I put 3 there, minus 1. You agree with me that this is a 6 minus 1. So the third, it will be a 5. So now the B, which says I should list, if this was my A, my B, which talks about listing, I will say, okay, my first term is 1, my second term is 3, my third term is 5. So these are my AP. So this is my AP, ladies and gentlemen, and these are the expected, terms in that, AP or arithmetic progression. So ladies and gentlemen, please, we should give respect when you are given such a condition. Please follow it nicely and you do it. Once more, it's not always that they'll give you an AP, like numbers like this. So that's the thing. So unless there are some questions, so we'll go to the other questions so that we'll know. Today we just want to cover series and sequences in paper 1 and paper 2. By so doing, if you have seen already, we started with what is in paper 2, we have gone in paper 1, and we have seen how they bring the question. Thank you so much. I love you. God bless you.